Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for G9FD183. This is a 2009 Ford Focus with a 2-liter four-cylinder. Nice clean oil. There are two semis running right behind me, so you may be hearing them in this video, I'm not sure, on a loader. Busy place today. And this vehicle has 118,258 miles on it. Revs up nice and clean. Sorry, it's idling a little rough because the whole rear end of this car is ripped off. Anyhow, thanks again for watching. This is J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for G9FD183. Thank you and have a nice day.